Are you thinking about getting a new roof? With Shockwave Roofing, that decision becomes a smart investment in your home's future. We proudly provide expert roof installation services in London, Ontario, designed for long-term performance and protection. Our installation process focuses on durability, efficiency, and craftsmanship. A new roof isn't just another repair. It's a way to enhance value and peace of mind. We ensure every installation is built to handle Ontario's changing seasons. We combine hands-on skills with a strong connection to the community. Every roof we install reflects our commitment to quality and integrity. Clear communication keeps you informed from the first consultation to project completion. We make the entire installation experience smooth and straightforward. When you choose us, you're choosing professionalism and dependable workmanship. Your home deserves a roof that performs as well as it looks. Call us today at 226-977-1132 or visit shockwaveroofing.ca/residential-roofing/roofing-installation. Shockwave Roofing, smart roofing investments built to last.